KIDenGARDEN.
Let's go!
Bedtime story.
Hey, look, this is the new channel, but we're gonna have adding all the time more and more. It's gonna be a little bit about learning some things for young children, but mainly it's gonna be more of a fantasy because they're gonna have stories and activities for children. And any adult that wants to have some fun, why not? I mean, definitely adults that want to have fun. You can join as a family, or you can have your kids participating in that. Maybe in the future I'm gonna do some lives. And for now, I am preparing physical books to set up how they're gonna be on the internet for you to find, because you won't be able to find them in a store. So you can order it from wherever you are, hopefully, that they can deliver to any place for all the children to have. But for now, this is not a bedtime story, Harlan. This is not a bedtime story. This is actually a little bit of learning, colors and shapes for kids. Colors and shapes. Is today a classroom full of colors and shapes. Other times we're gonna make plastilina or puppets or masks or theater and play all together with lots of materials to draw and cut and put together and create lots of things. But for today, or other days, I'm thinking to start showing you my portfolios, and maybe you're interested to view things that I do for others, but or video clips and music. But also maybe it would be nice to show you what we actually make with children in class, in schools that I work, and I let you enjoy. You could enjoy. If you want to register and subscribe to this channel, I'll put a thumbs up just because this is going to help the algorithm to go further and reach every child at the moment. Then just enjoy the next video, which is an activity for teaching some little things to our young fellow in the classroom. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Learn colors and shapes for kids. Colors and shapes. Learn colors and shapes. Here we go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we learn all about colors and shapes for kids. Today is going to be lots of fun as we learn different colors and shapes in this Learn Colors and Shapes tutorial for kids. So let's get started with learning about colors and shapes. First, let's start with the color red. What do we see when we think of the color red? Well, we could think of a fire truck or maybe an apple or even a stop sign. We know the color red means stop. So remember, when you see a stop sign, always stop before you cross the road. It's very important to be safe when we are on the road. Red is also the color of courage and love. So when someone gives you a red rose, it means they love you. Can you think of anything that's red? Share with us in the comments section below. Next, let's learn about the color blue. When we think of the color blue, what comes to mind? Well, Perhaps the ocean or the sky. The ocean and the sky are both blue. Blue means freedom and it also means peace. So whenever you feel sad or upset, just look up at the sky and the blue color will make you feel better. There are many shades of blue such as light blue and navy blue. Which shade of blue is your favorite? Tell us in the comments section below. Let's learn about the color green. Green is the color of nature. We can see green grass, green trees, and even green plants. The color green makes us feel calm and relaxed, like when we go to the park and play on the grass or climb a tree. Sometimes we see a green traffic light, for example, in the cities. Can you name something that's green? Share with us in the comments section below. Let's learn about the color yellow. Yellow is the color of happiness and sunshine. We know that sunshine makes us feel warm and cozy. The color yellow can also mean danger, like when we see a yellow sign. It means that we must be careful. Have you ever seen a yellow smiley face? It means that someone is happy. What comes to your mind when you see the color yellow? Let us know in the comments section below. Next is the color purple. Purple is the color of magic and mystery. When we mix red and blue together, we get purple. You can also get different shades of purple by mixing different amounts of red and blue. Do you want to learn how to make different shades of purple? Let us know in the comments section below. Next, let's learn about the color orange. Orange is the color of enthusiasm and warmth. When we mix red and yellow together, we get the color orange. Orange is a very bright color. It is also the color of some fruits like carrots and pumpkins. Can you name any other fruits that are orange? Share with us in the comments section below. Now let's learn about the color pink. Pink is the color of sweetness and love. It is a very pretty color. Most girls like the color pink. Can you name something that is pink? How about a flamingo? That's right. Flamingos are pink. They get their pink color from the food they eat. Do you like the color pink? Let us know in the comments section below. Now let's learn about the color black. Black is the color of elegance and power. It is also the color of nighttime. During nighttime, the sky is black. Black is also the color of two important things, and that is white and gray. If we add a little bit of white to black, we get the color gray. Now, if we add a lot of white to black, we get the color white. So remember, a little bit of white makes gray. A lot of white makes black. Can you name something that's black? Share with us in the comments section below. Next, let's learn about the color brown. Brown is the color of nature. Trees and wooden furniture are brown. Brown is also the color of chocolate and a teddy bear. Don't you just love teddy bears? They are so soft and cuddly. Can you name something that's brown? Share with us in the comments section below. Let's learn about the color white. White is the color of peace and unity. Snow and clouds are white. White is also the color of milk and sugar. It is very important to eat healthy foods such as milk and sugar. So remember, white is right for your body. Is there anything else that is white? Share with us in the comments section below. Finally, let's learn about the color gray. Gray is the color of balance and sophistication. It is made when we mix black and white together. Gray is a neutral color and it can go with anything. Can you name something that's gray? How about a mouse? That's right. A mouse is gray. Some mice are even brown. We have now learned about all the colors of the rainbow. Let's review them one more time. First, we have red, which is the color of courage and love. Next is blue, which is the color of the sky and the ocean. Then we have green, which is the color of nature. Yellow is the color of happiness and sunshine. After that is purple, which is the color of magic and mystery. Then we have orange, which is the color of enthusiasm and warmth. Pink is the color of sweetness and love. After that is black, which is the color of elegance and power. Then we have brown, which is the color of nature. White is the color of peace and unity. And finally, we have gray, which is the color of balance and sophistication. Now that we know all these colors, let's move on to learning about shapes. First, let's start with a circle. A circle is a shape with no sides or corners. A circle is like a ball or the sun. You can roll a circle, but you can't roll a square because it has too many corners. Can you name anything that is a circle? Share with us in the comments section below. Next is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A triangle can have different angles, but it always has 3 corners. Triangles can be big or small. Can you name anything that is a triangle? Share with us in the comments section below. Now let's learn about the square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. All squares are also rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. This is because a rectangle has 4 right angles, while a square has 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. Can you name anything that is a square? Share with us in the comments section below. Next, let's learn about the rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. All squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. This is because a square has 4 right angles and 4 equal sides, while a rectangle only has 4 right angles. Can you name anything that is a rectangle? Share with us in the comments section below. Next is the oval. An oval is similar to a circle, but it's a bit longer than it is wide. An oval is like a rugby ball. Can you name anything that is an oval? Share with us in the comments section below. Now let's learn about the diamond. A diamond has 4 sides and 4 corners. It also has 8 angles. Can you name anything that is a diamond? Share with us in the comments section below. Now let's learn about the star. A star is a polygon with 5 points or vertices. Stars can be big or small, and they can be found in the sky or on flags. Can you name anything that is a star? Share with us in the comments section below. Now that we know all the different shapes, let's review them one more time. First is a circle, which has no sides or corners. Next is a triangle, which has 3 sides and 3 corners. Then we have the square, which has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. After that is a rectangle, which has 4 sides and 4 corners. Next is the oval, which is similar to a circle but longer than it is wide. Then we have the diamond, which has 4 sides and 4 corners and 8 angles. And finally, we have the star, which is a polygon with 5 points or vertices. That's all for today, guys. We hope you had lots of fun learning about colors and shapes. If you want to learn more about colors and shapes, then click on this video on the screen now. And don't forget to share your ideas and thoughts with us in the comments section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Click the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our awesome videos. And we'll see you next time.